So if you walk in there, people are getting selected for a jury trial, right?
Right. Yeah.
They get picked and they're on a jury trial.
Right.
Private information.
Videotape. I'm saying that you have to do it across the street. That's it. That's all. And that's all I'm gonna say. If you want me to call FPS, I will for them to clarify with you.
All right.
Is that what you want, sir?
Is that what?
Okay. This is your citation.
Yeah.
This is your state citation. Okay.
So what did you? What did you?
70 miles an hour.
How long did you pace me for?
I posted you
How
at
long did you?
At Kern County's Jury Services Office, a simple question turns into a power struggle. Staff refuse to speak on camera, deputies arrive, and the line between public lobby and court facility becomes the battleground. Warnings fly. Turn it off or be arrested, while the filmer insists the First Amendment protects him. What happens next shows how fast, unclear rules and quicker tempers turn routine accountability into a constitutional showdown.
I was just trying to get some information on jury services.
Okay, you're gonna have to turn the camera down. You're not allowed to record in the court building.
Is this public access though?
No.
It's not?
No, this is an official court building, so you're not allowed to record it. So I'll have to ask that you turn it off.
Well, it didn't actually say a sign outside.
Well, this is a court building.
Okay,
and
so
I'm gonna ask one more time if you wouldn't mind, turn it off, and I'm happy to answer your question.
Okay,
No,
my question is
off,
this. So
off.
if
please,
the public...
please turn it off, and then I'll answer your question.
Well,
Okay, I gotta warn you one more time.
You can warn me a million times,
Okay.
but it doesn't say that I can't record.
Yeah, you can't. This is a court building.
But it doesn't say on the front door.
It says Kern County's Jury Services, so this is a court building.
But what I'm asking is this public access?
No.
This is not public access?
No, this is only for jurors.
If the public needs access to find out about jury services, they can't come in, they have to stay outside?
Jurors that are summoned, yes, can come in for jury duty, but if you have a camera, you're not allowed to bring it in.
But it doesn't say that outside.
It's a court building, you're not
Are you
allowed
a
to bring the
supervisor?
camera. Yes, I am, so I'm gonna ask one more time, please turn the camera off, and I'm happy to answer your question.
Well, I just had one simple question, man.
Okay, turn the camera off, and I'm happy to answer.
Well, this is part of the
Turn
story.
the camera off, please, and I'll answer your question.
So are you saying that you can't answer any questions?
Not while the camera's on.
Okay, so let me ask you this, without the camera.
Thank you. We're gonna call our sheriff over, and they're happy to answer your question, but
Oh, go ahead.
I've asked nicely.
We do this all the
for you
time.
to turn it off.
As long as it's public accessible, then is this public accessible, right? To get information? Is this not? Okay, so let me ask you this. Without the camera, am I allowed to get information from you? Inside here. Without the camera. Am I allowed to ask you for information? It's a simple question, man. Can I? Without the camera? Go ahead. Here's one answering your questions. I'm just doing a story, man. Like, for information to help people get information, like you know what I mean? How to deal with jury services and court services and stuff like that. It just seems odd that you're willing to answer a question, not on camera, but. This has information on eating places, but that's not what I'm here for.
You gotta, can't be around.
I just have a question. Is this public accessible in here? It's not public accessible.
It's not.
So without the camera, can I come inside here and ask questions?
Come out here and I'll tell you.
Thank you. I'm gonna come back in if he's wrong.
He's out.
Okay. So is this area public accessible? For the public.
For the public? Yes, just not
Okay.
in areas.
That's all I need.
That's all we need to know.
That's all I need to know. That's all I need to know. It's open to the public.
With the cameras, no. If you want to walk in, yes. But not with the cameras on.
Okay, so
You understand?
No, we don't understand, because if it's publicly accessible, we're allowed to go in and film in any corridor, lobby. Because why?
There's private information in there. So if you walk in there, people are getting selected for a jury trial, right?
Right. Yeah.
they get picked and they're on a jury trial,
Right.
private information. So if you know the people that are possibly on a jury and you're filming it, that's private information.
Right.
So if you, just like you can't go into the courthouse or up here with camera, you can't go in there.
Well, I can go into any public accessible area
But
in
not
the court.
with camera.
Sure I can. Sure I can. And first of all, there's no juries in there right now
Okay.
for personal information.
Well, I'm telling you, you can't. You understand?
No, I
Okay,
don't.
So I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna call
No,
our
no,
attorney.
no. I'll tell you what you're gonna do.
Oh, you're gonna tell me what I'm gonna
You're
do.
gonna, if you want to call your attorney, go ahead.
We're gonna call our
But
attorney.
if all you're gonna do is not listen to what I'm saying,
Okay, do I have to listen to what you're saying?
yes,
Why is
you
that?
do. Because I'm
You're my
giving
boss.
you-
You're my dad.
If
Or do
that's
you
what
put me
you
on
want
your
me to do.
taxes? No.
Dude,
Look,
if you
I
want to
had a
go in
que-
there,
I had a
listen,
question.
listen.
No,
Don't talk to me like a
Hey,
dog.
If you walk in there, you're trespassing.
Don't talk to me in my ear like that,
Hey,
dude. Dude,
do you want to go to
you can't
jail?
touch me.
Do you want to go to
You
jail?
can't touch me. You can't touch me like
We're
that. bro.
giving you a choice
Hey,
right now.
record this.
All right. You cannot record in there.
Okay.
If you record in there, you will be arrested. You understand?
I'm
Yes.
telling
Yeah.
you.
Well, I understand, man, but I'm already outside, dude. Look at this. I'm already
Okay.
outside. And
What
he's
What are
twisting
you
my
guys
hand.
doing here?
Dude,
Doing
don't
a
twist my arm
story.
like that, dude. You're hurting me. Please.
What
You're
story
hurting me.
are you
Look,
guys
I'm
doing?
not.
Well, the
I'm not-
story is right now on how public
Dude, you're hurting me.
officials
Please let go of it.
violate a First Amendment
Dude, I'm here on a
right
peaceful
to film
protest,
in
bro.
public. And you're going to be
That
part of
is
this.
not public.
He said it.
Bro,
He
it's
said
public.
it was.
You guys
He
can
just said
film
it
out
is
here.
public. He said it's public.
It's accessible to
He
the
says
public,
it's
but like
accessible
I'm
to the
telling you,
public, but without a camera. That's
and
what he
you guys
just
are
said.
giving me
So,
issues trying to
If
go
you
in
guys
with
want
the
to go in
camera.
there and talk, that's fine. You guys cannot go in there and film. If you guys want to film out
Dude, you're
here,
hurting me, bro. There's no need
that's
for
fine.
that,
We
man.
won't stop you from filming out here.
Uh-huh.
If
So-
you guys
I
go in there
came
with the
outside
camera
with the
again, though,
asking,
you
bro.
guys will be
I'm already
escorted
outside.
off and arrested.
Okay,
You
so
understand?
That's fine.
no, I don't
I
understand,
understand.
but let me ask you this.
Okay.
So when he says,
Okay, look, I understand, bro. Is it okay if you can let me go now? I understand.
Because
I'm already
obviously
outside,
you're not
bro.
understanding me, so I'm not understanding you.
So this is how you have to talk to me?
so he
That's
said it's
your
public,
decision.
but
You
without a
made this.
camera.
Can
and
you
you're
guys get
saying
a
it's not
supervisor,
public.
please?
So
Dude, you're
how
hurting
come
me.
you
You're
don't
You
bothering
can
agree?
go in there if you have lawful business to.
We do.
do.
We're
What's the
doing
lawful
a-
business?
We're doing a story.
I wanted.
We tried to get
Like, fine.
information.
You guys can go put your cameras in your vehicle and go and talk to them. If they talk to you, that's fine.
I'll turn off my
They're not
camera, okay?
required to talk to you though.
I'll turn off my camera.
If you don't have lawful business, something to do with
You
jury
guys just let go of
selection,
it,
jury
man. You're
services,
hurting me, bro.
then
That's
at
not
that point
I'm
we
not
will ask
resisting.
you to
Time
leave.
for talking to
I'm
them.
not resisting.
If you guys want
Ow,
to leave,
man.
like I told you,
Record this, bro.
you're welcome to put your camera away and then come back.
Okay,
Dude,
well
there's
we're
no-
out.
but like
We're
I
out. You
said-
can let him go.
Like
Finlay,
I said,
Finlay, what's your badge number, brother?
1402.
Can you please take over this situation right here, man? He's hurting me.
He was the first one here. I'm just telling you what I see.
Okay, but can you
Yeah,
please
okay,
have
no,
him
what's
let
your
go?
badge number?
1439. You have it right there.
I can't see. I've got a vision impairment.
Okay, you guys said you would escort us off the property, right? Can we do that, man?
Yeah, if you guys want to go put your
Okay, man,
cameras
that's fine.
in your
Dude,
vehicle,
but you're about to break my arm, man.
let's
There's no
go.
need for that.
Well, go put your cameras in your vehicle.
Officer,
and
what's
then
your
you can
name and
talk.
badge number, please?
So what are you guys gonna
What's
do?
your name and badge
you-
number?
Walters 863.
Thank
Can
you.
you help out this situation right here? Look, I'll get off the property, dude.
He's a first responder. I do what he
So,
says.
so he's gonna. Are you gonna allow him to violate my rights this way?
telling you what to do. He's telling you to go
And I agreed. I agreed that I would do it.
No,
I'm gonna go
What,
on-
what are you gonna do then? You didn't agree to anything. You're just
I told you
telling
that I would get off the property and call my attorney,
me.
bro.
After you told me, I'm gonna.
He
tell
just
what
told
I'm
you
gonna
that
do.
right
Dude,
now.
I
Are
just-
you guys gonna leave?
He
then?
just told
I
you
just
that
told
right
you I
now.
would, man.
Leave. Yes or no?
He just told you
yes,
that right
yes,
now.
yes, yes,
Is that a yes
yes.
or no from
You
you?
heard
Yes,
him.
yes.
From you though.
Yes.
I'm asking from you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dude,
I
you're
already
nasty,
answered,
bro.
dude.
Go then.
Don't make me spell it out.
Okay. Moreno, badge number.
What? Fucking move? What?
1439.
Swearing now?
Do you have a card?
Cards
I need
for
a
what?
card from every single
We
one
don't
of you
have
guys,
cards. Our department doesn't issue them to us.
man. Okay. Walter's badge number what?
863.
863.
Like I told you, you guys are
Finlay.
welcome to come in here. It is accessible to the public, just without the
Body
cameras.
cams on you guys.
Look, do you see any?
I'm off the property. Now I'm on public. Now I'm
You're
on
actually
public.
not on.
We're on a public sidewalk.
Bro, why don't you know the
We're in
First
a public
Amendment, man?
sidewalk.
Why don't
Just
you know
go.
Now
the
you're
First
trying to say we're on your property still?
If you guys want to leave, you guys. are
We
more
did
than
leave.
welcome to leave.
We did leave. We're on a fucking public sidewalk,
File
and you're
a
saying we're on
lawsuit.
your
I
property.
let you go.
Now, you're just a tyrant, dude.
All you guys are gonna be in court with me, and I need that other officer. I need his fucking badge number as well.
Is your supervisor around, Philly?
Call
Please
call
call your
Hemi.
supervisor.
Call
I'll
Hemi.
I'm calling him right now.
Call him.
You got it all on film, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Dude, you just violated my rights, bro.
Realize this?
And you hurt me, dude. I'm gonna go get this checked out immediately.
Can you say anything? You say it's open to the public without cameras?
Without cameras.
Yeah, let me speak. You said it's open to the public without cameras? This guy says it's not open to the public.
No, I said you.
No, you said it's not
you can
open
go
to
in
the
there
public.
if you want to
Don't
talk
change
to
your
him.
words. I got it on tape what
That's
you
fine.
said. Yeah, it is fine.
He's backing up what he said. It's not public with a camera. It is public accessible without the camera.
I'm in Bakersfield, California.
Verbal judo, dude.
Do you guys not have anything better to do today? Or?
You don't got anything better to do today?
No, I did until I had to come over here. and
I
do
did
this.
until I had to come over here.
That made no sense.
That made no sense.
And he got mad because he asked, he wanted to yell at me, and I said, no, I'm not.
Oh, I wanted to yell. Like I said, you guys can't film this way.
Like I
because
said,
this is.
like
Do
I
you
said,
wanna
we
go to
can
jail?
film this
Do
way.
you want to go to jail?
For what?
Like I told you, you cannot.
What am I going to jail
you
for?
cannot record in there or in that.
You're going to take
direction.
me to jail right now? For what? Here I am. I'm on a sidewalk. Stay away, man. I'm on a sidewalk. I'm going to film my outside as much
Are
as
you
I
on-
want.
Are either of you on probation or parole today?
Are you? Are you on probation?
That is a lawful ask.
You
do
can't even speak, man.
Are you on probation or parole?
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm asking you a
I'm
question.
asking you a question.
If you do not answer, this is your last time. If you do not answer me,
Yeah?
I'm going to place you in handcuffs until I can run you and make sure that you are not on probation or parole.
You're going to put me in handcuffs.
So I gotta say yes or no? Public access, bro. We're on
Tell
public access,
Felipe
bro.
he's threatened to put me in handcuffs
I know,
if I don't answer him if I'm on probation or parole.
On you? Do either of you have
Don't say nothing
identification
else,
on
bro.
you?
Don't say nothing else to this guy. Felipe said don't say nothing else to this
Okay.
guy.
Justice based on 55. Is your sergeant available to 198 jury services code 4? 10-4.
I switched this.
Hey, sir, with all due respect, man, can you guys get in between us and him?
Get a CRF started.
Sam won with him.
Yeah, I feel threatened. Can you stand between this guy and you?
So I'm gonna keep out of transparency, guys. I just got assaulted by this guy right here. We got it on film.
Affirmative.
Threatening to handcuff me if I don't ID if I've been on probation
I
or
wanna go
parole.
on that
What
side,
I said if you don't answer, if you were on probation or parole.
Right. If I don't answer that I'm on probation or parole, you're going to put me in handcuffs and run me. That's what you told me. I'm not answering you.
And we ask for information and evidence with that, right? And it's allowed, bro. This is our First Amendment right, okay? And just because people get paranoid with the camera or whatever, dude, that's not our fault, bro.
Listen, like I told you, it's not.
Don't
it's
interrupt
not
him.
that they're
Don't
paranoid.
interrupt him.
It's not that they're paranoid.
Don't
Listen,
interrupt him.
no,
Don't
listen,
interrupt him.
listen,
Don't
listen,
snap your
listen,
fingers.
listen,
Go
listen,
dance.
listen,
What are you
listen.
doing? Dancing?
Like I said,
Get him away from us.
Finley, can you take him over here so I can speak to Officer Walters for a minute?
He is the first one that responded.
like I
so
said,
I'm his
We
listen
don't
to me.
care. No, we're not
Listen
listening to
me.
you. We're not
Okay,
listening to you.
then we'll keep walking until you guys are off.
Off what?
Like I told you.
Off
Okay,
what?
now
We're
you
on,
want to listen. Now
we're
you
on
wanna
public
listen.
property.
Like I told you,
We're not listening to you,
I
man.
said,
We're not listening
everybody
to
is
you.
paranoid. It is the presiding judge that does not want cameras in.
It doesn't matter what he wants. We know the law.
Watching live.
We're on a sidewalk and you're threatening to arrest me.
49 people live watching you. This ain't gonna get deleted, my friend.
Can we make it 150?
It's going up.
Threatening to put me in handcuffs because I don't tell you if I'm on probation or
Hey, bro, I
parole
got
and
a
then
YouTube
tell us
channel.
that we got to
Check it
keep
out.
moving
I
when
got
we're on a...
YouTube channel. You're gonna answer for what you did. You think you're not, but you are, bro. And you like to talk and you like to act all bad, bro. What you did was wrong and it's illegal.
It was wrong what you were doing
Bro,
as well.
check it out, bro. You're gonna see me in court. You're not gonna be behaving this way. I promise you this. I promise you this. All these guys, you guys are all gonna be there. You guys are all witnesses.
You have your right to do and do what
Right.
you want.
That's what we're doing.
We are not offend that, but if you want to wait, we do have a sergeant coming who will explain everything
Hey,
to
check
you.
him out. Are you guys gonna arrest him for what he did? That's right.
Arrest
you
who?
guys, him.
I can
Bro, what
arrest
you
you
How am I
for
gonna
what you
arrest
did.
him?
You
What did I do to
promised
you?
me that if I let you
promised
go,
something, so
you
if I
would
don't keep
leave.
my
We did leave.
I get arrested, right?
I said
Bro,
if you do
listen
not
to your-
step
hey,
off,
listen to what
I
you're
would
saying,
arrest
bro.
you. You said, that's fine, I'll go.
We did leave.
And you did not.
We did leave. We're on a public
Did
sidewalk.
you not?
Nah, bro.
Did you not?
You know what?
Did you not?
You can
'Cause
lie,
I
but
said.
this don't lie.
Exactly.
You can say what you want, bro. Say what you want, but this don't lie. You're done, huh? How do you
We're
feel
on a
about what
public
you did, man?
sidewalk and you're still telling us that
Sickening.
we're on your
behavior is
property.
Sickening, and that's what we're gonna get rid of.
It's not right, deputy.
I hope you don't lose your job, bro. But if you do, you deserve it.
But if I do, I deserve it.
This is the best job
Can I
you'll
ask
ever
what you
have
guys
and you're
do?
screwing it up, man.
Can I ask what you guys do?
No, you can't ask us anything.
This is what you
I
do.
can't
you go out
ask.
and bully people.
Well, you can ask. We're
Moreno.
not going to talk to you.
Say it.
Would you like an up close
Say
shot
it.
of it?
Say it. Say it. It's your job to say it. When the judge asks you, you're gonna say it. I promise you.
I've told you already.
Okay. What if I have a disability?
So Officer
You're
Walters,
supposed to state it, bro.
You're supposed to
Officer
say it, like I
Moreno
said.
threatened
You dishonor your badge, bro.
to
You
put
should
me in
drop it and
handcuffs
quit.
until he
Look what you're
IDs
doing
me
to
if
these
I don't
guys.
tell him whether
You're
I'm
putting them in a
probation or
bad position,
parole.
bro.
Not only
Your
did he do
attitude is
that, he
sickening,
told me to
man.
keep
These guys are
walking
here
because
because
we're on the
respect.
property and we're on a
Danny,
public
nothing is
sidewalk.
better here.
Are any
I've
of those
talked
things
to you.
correct?
You guys are
Your behavior is
uncooperative.
sickening, and I hope you pay for it.
I would have to get a ruling on that. I don't
You'd
know.
have to get a ruling?
Yeah, I do.
You don't know that we're on a public sidewalk?
This is new to me. I don't usually normally work here.
You don't know that this is a public sidewalk?
Yes, it is.
Okay, it's not part of this property. So how can he tell me we're still on this property? You don't need a ruling, that's common sense. He's making up nonsense. Now, do I have to tell him whether I'm on probation or parole?
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do.
Why?
That is
law.
the law. If you want to come out here and be really
Not if you're
badass
not-
and
hey,
talk
if you're not
badass,
on probation or
then
parole,
know
you don't
what
have to
you're
answer
talking
it.
about
Hey,
when you say
hey,
it.
if you're not on probation or parole, you don't have to answer. You only have to answer it if you are.
That's right. I only have to answer if I am.
I'm not talking to you right now. What's up?
How's it going? Sanchez, is it?
Going good. How are you?
Not too bad, man. We just go in public accessible places and that. And jury services doesn't say that it's not public accessible, so we went in there to get pamphlets or whatnot, ask questions. The gentleman inside got all scared and panicked and called this guy. This guy came in and demanded that we leave. And when I was outside, he demanded that we
I'm gonna
leave.
let you speak to Miss Morgan.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Card 1388.
Or card 1388.
They were trying to film secondary services.
Doing it, bro. You were doing that on purpose to get a reaction out of me so that I could
was
fucking
not for a
resist.
reaction.
Yeah, you were, dude. That's a fucking dick move, bro. That's a dick move,
If you're
bro.
done talking to me, I'm done talking to you. I
You're
already
a fucking
told you.
scumbag for what you did, homie. Piece of shit. Assault and battery, dude. We got it. We got it. Hey, let me be the reason you never do that again to somebody else that's innocent, bro.
I'm fine with that, if that's how you really feel.
I hope you lose the rest of your fucking hair because of this. Cool. Hey, I apologize, guys, that I have to speak like this in front of you guys, but what he did to me wasn't right. And I asked you nicely, man, to take over the situation so this guy could fucking let go of me. What he was doing wasn't fucking right, bro. Almost broke my fucking arm trying to get a reaction out of me so that I could fucking resist. Could take him down for no fucking reason. Fucking disgusted by this guy's behavior, man. You guys should fucking let him know in the fucking locker room exactly how you feel. Serious shit, man. Let this fucking guy know when you guys are done here today.
Yeah.
Let him know what the fuck you did, man. Real shit. This is what we do, dude. We go out and weed out the fucking bad cops from the good officers.
Are you from Bakersfield?
I'm not answering that. This pieces of shit like this give you guys a bad name, man. That's real shit.
I don't know probation or nothing.
254 watching international, bro. This shit ain't never gonna be erased, homie. You gonna get me 100,000 hits at least. I already got 5 videos with over 100,000 views, bro. You're gonna be one of them.
So I didn't answer your question. You haven't arrested me.
Is that you wanting me to arrest you?
No.
Am I being detained? Am I being detained?
I told you guys were free to leave. You're the one that told me.
You're a fucking scumbag, bro. Hey, you guys let this piece of shit in the locker room exactly know he's a fucking scumbag, because bad cops like that give good cops a bad name. That's real shit, man. Real shit.
You have your right to think whatever
real
you want.
shit, man. Hey, you could have fucking took over the situation.
No, I can't. He was the first one that responded.
Hey, bro,
I'm his
he was
backup.
fucking grabbing me, dude, for no fucking reason.
I don't know what
anything illegal.
I don't know what transpired before that, so I'm not going to step on his toes. He was the first one here.
Where's your guys' office so I can go make a complaint?
It's on Norris Road.
1350 Norris Road.
1350 North Road. Your name is
Ralph.
Can I get your name and badge number now, please?
Yes, Jason Belassis, 902.
902.
All right, sir. Sergeant Maria with the Sheriff's Office. Okay, badge number 810. You guys have every right to film and photograph outside. Okay?
Outside the building.
But there are certain California rules of the court that will not allow you to film anybody inside any court building. okay? Especially jurors and spectators. And I have the rules here.
There's no jurors and spectators in there, bro. Let me ask you this: is that office open to the public?
It is open to the public.
Okay, so when the public needs to go in there and get information, right, for the public, because that's what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
Practicing my First Amendment right. You know what I'm saying? And I go in there and get information for the public, bro, because the public needs to know how to do things, right? And if that is open to the public, then that is open to the cameras, bro.
Well, the California rules, the California courts have already said.
The First Amendment.
Okay, you asked me a question, or
Okay,
you
go
have
ahead.
to let me
Go ahead,
answer.
go ahead,
okay.
bro.
The California court system has already established certain rules as far as any public building development related to courts. Okay, it's all documented here. I'll give you this copy so that they're familiar with it. But you can be arrested if you go into a public or a court building where there's jurors and spectators and film. Okay. I didn't write that.
There was nobody in there.
You cannot film inside. Here's all the rules. I'm going to give this to you. Okay, if you want it. If you don't, that's fine.
Hey,
but I'm just
Felipe
telling you.
Heming, are you on here, bro?
Is that those are
attorney,
rules or is that a law?
It's a law.
It's a law.
California rules of conduct for the courts.
California rules of conduct. That's
Okay?
a law.
Rules of court. Yes. Okay, so like I said, you guys are more than welcome to stay out here and film or photograph, but you are not okay to film or photograph inside the court. They'll answer any questions that you guys have, but you cannot have the cameras on. Okay?
Rules don't trump rights, bro. It's our First Amendment right.
Unfortunately, I don't write the laws.
So I let you
don't
speak.
write the laws.
Can I have a minute now? Right? With all due respect, man.
We just love
Policies
Kern
don't trump the First Amendment rights, and this is what we're educating on. Okay, if that is open to the public, then it's open to the cameras too.
Well,
because I have business. It's basically a contract. You guys are all a business. Every establishment here, it's all a business. And when I have business with that business, I'm allowed to record, bro. It's my First Amendment right.
Well,
okay, and there's no signs on the doors that says this. Okay, it does not say anything.
Okay.
It doesn't
telling
say
you.
trespassing. No
I'm
trespassing.
telling
It doesn't say
you
none of that.
that if you go in there and film, you're going to be arrested.
So what you're saying is your word trumps the Constitution.
No. California laws. Okay, is what we have to abide by.
Okay, now let me say this. Okay, we're going to truly find out. I have an attorney. We're going to find out. And if you are wrong, Officer Maria, will you guys be back?
810.
If you are wrong, we will be back.
Okay.
And it's not going to just be us two, because this goes on. Hey, check it out. California is a state that's doing this better than everybody, bro. It's going on see the Shane scene. If you're wrong, bro, you're gonna know.
Do you want a copy of the rules or not?
You want the copy?
I don't want it. This guy right here, man. Hey, check it out. This guy right here. You guys need to train this guy because he fucking grabbed me and tried to break my arm. And check it out, the way he was, and we got it on camera, okay? And we're gonna file a fucking formal complaint, okay? And check it out. This guy right here, the way he was doing, he was trying to get a reaction out of me so that I could resist, so that he could fucking break my arm and hurt me. This guy right here makes you all look fucking bad. This guy gives you all a fucking bad name. And this guy right here is fucking garbage.
Well,
and he
you
stays
can't
your
listen.
department, bro.
You can't
he
come.
Stays your department.
We
And
can't.
we got 340 people watching right now, live. Okay, and I'm gonna get about 40, 50, 60,000 views on this. Okay, you guys are gonna get calls, bro.
All right. Well,
So
Just
Sergeant
handle it
Murillo,
You're a piece of
when
shit,
I'm on
man.
this public sidewalk and I came out here, he told me we're still on that property. Is that correct or wrong?
if you're on the sidewalk, you're not on the property.
If I'm not on the sidewalk,
If you are on the sidewalk,
I'm
you're not on the property.
Right. What did you tell me?
I said get off.
You said I was on the sidewalk and this is your property.
We're not here to argue. If you guys have a formal
Well,
complaint,
you better
then
get a guy
you
that
can
knows
do it.
what he's talking
Okay?
about.
All
Do
right.
I have to ID myself, whether I'm probation or parole? If I'm not, do I have
If
to?
you're on the property,
No,
yes.
right now on a sidewalk.
Oh, no.
Do-
Not on the sidewalk.
He told me he was going to put me in handcuffs if I didn't tell him whether I'm probation or parole.
I said until I can find out and run you.
Okay.
if you-
You can't do that.
I'm not going to debate
You can't
this.
do that.
he was yelling at me.
No, you're not going to debate it. Why don't
Okay.
you tell him he's giving me?
Key takeaways. Filming in outdoor public areas is generally protected. Inside California courthouses, separate court rules often restrict recording, especially in jury and administrative spaces. As for the specific rule or statute, document names and badge numbers and don't escalate. Step to a clearly public area, sidewalk, keep rolling, and file records requests or complaints later. Rights are strongest when you assert them calmly and precisely. At the new Department of Homeland Security headquarters on the historic St. Elizabeth's campus, a cameraman does nothing more than film from a public sidewalk. Security officers rush out, insisting regulations forbid it, even hinting at calling federal agents. But when FPS, the Federal Protective Service, arrives, the truth becomes clear. Public property means public rights. What unfolds highlights the clash between perception of authority and the actual limits of the law.
Not bad, how are you?
do this for a news article or just for your personal use?
I'm sorry, I don't answer questions. Could I get your name, please?
Ayala?
Ayala?
Yeah, you're allowed to do it.
Okay.
Ask. I just want to know.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't answer any more questions. Thanks.
Sir, it's not a video from across the street.
I'm sorry, sir.
It's supposed to be videoing it from across the street. You're not supposed to be this close. Video from across the street.
What's your name, sir?
I'm Officer Robinson.
Officer Robinson. Okay, we're Paragon. So, Officer Robinson, why would I have to video from?
That's just a distance thing. You can do it, like I said, sir. You are allowed to videotape, but it says in our protocol that you're supposed to do it from across the street.
In your protocol? So is there like a law or something?
This right here is this video that's been going around. You guys challenging us again.
I'm not meaning to challenge you, but you're telling me that there's some reason I should be filming.
I'm not denying you the fact that you can video, sir. I'm only telling you there's a distance that you can do it from.
Like legally?
I don't know if it's legally, but it's a regulation here.
All right, well, if it's not legally, your regulations, like, I'm not an employee of the DHS.
Just like when you come on this campus, sir,
when I come on the campus, absolutely, but I'm not on the campus.
Okay, sir, but what I'm saying is I'm not denying you the fact that you can videotape. I'm saying that you have to do it across the street. That's it, that's all. And that's all I'm gonna say. If you want me to call FPS, I will for them to clarify with you.
All right.
Is that what you want, sir? Is that
well,
what you want, sir? That's what
no, I have no intent of wasting SPS's time.
I'm not here to answer questions. I'm just letting you know.
Okay, I understand, but if FPS comes, as long as you're still here and they can explain to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good one. You. Not bad. How are you doing?
Yes. You got a minute? Can we talk?
Sure.
Any reason why?
I have the option, right? This is consensual.
Yeah, no,
okay.
Consensual, yeah.
Okay, then absolutely.
Yeah. Is there any reason why you're taping around this area?
Could I get your name real quick? Velez and Orozco?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tour in the area?
No, nothing like that. This is my work.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem, we're just checking, make sure everything's okay.
Absolutely.
You have a nice day?
You as well? Oh, by the way, the Paragon officer up there, Robinson, he told me that there was some reason that I was not allowed to be on this side of the street filming.
This is fine.
Okay. Yeah, could you just make sure that they get a memo or something that
I'll go see.
public property. Sorry?
Gate 3, you said?
Up at this next gate here, I don't know if that's gate 2, but Officer T. Robinson, he seemed to be a little confused of Paragon. The other officer, he seemed to know what was up, but he seemed to be a little confused about filming on public property. Thank you. Have a good one. So as you can see, this is St. Elizabeth's West Campus, Gate 1. So West Campus is owned by the federal government, DHS and Coast Guard. It's a joint facility with DHS and Coast Guard. It used to be St. Elizabeth's Hospital, and it was also Gate 1 of St. Elizabeth's Hospital. This looks like a historical sign. And you've got really ornate eagle there. As well as on the other side. So it's a really cool historical campus. Now I think at this point there are about 1,000 employees last time I went to press here at DHS West Campus, along with the acting director.
The lesson is simple. Filming government buildings from a public sidewalk is protected by the First Amendment. Security personnel may confuse policy with law, but only actual statutes set limits. Stay calm, document interactions, and let trained federal officers clarify the rules. Respect works both ways. Knowing your rights keeps officials accountable without escalating into unnecessary conflict. On a quiet Arizona highway, what begins as a lane change turns into an unusual stop. A tribal police officer, off-duty and outside reservation land, pulls over a driver for speeding. Cameras roll as accusations of road rage, jurisdiction questions, and ego battles unfold right there on the roadside. What follows is less about traffic safety and more about authority, restraint, and whether the badge extends beyond its borders.
You're outside your jurisdiction.
It's the state of Arizona.
Yeah.
I'm not. Do you know how fast you were going?
Less than 65.
No, you were going. I'm behind you going 75. That's when I slowed down and got behind you.
No, you weren't.
Sir,
I had the
I'm
traffic.
not argue
Sure,
with
I'll
you.
give you.
I
I'll
need
give
to
you my
see the driver's license
Yeah.
and the vehicle registration, please. Thank you.
No red. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
My name is Officer Ingram with the Tohono O'odham Police Department.
What's
my
your badge number?
is 158.
So your
I need to see the vehicle registration.
so your ego got you today?
No, your speed's what got you today.
No, we were going the
vehicle
same
registration,
speed.
Please, sir. I'm not going to argue
The
with you.
vehicle registration's on the license plate.
Vehicle registration.
It's on the license
supposed
plate.
to be in your vehicle.
It's on the license
By
plate.
law,
It's on the
your
license
vehicle
plate.
registration should
It's
be
on the
in
license.
your vehicle
Hey, you need
at
to
all
calm.
times.
You need to calm down. Why are you so
either
upset?
Show me your vehicle registration, or I'm going to cite you for that too.
Cite me for what? What'd you use?
I'm citing you right now for your speed.
What'd you use?
And if you
What'd
don't
you
show
use?
me the
What'd you
vehicle
use?
registration,
What'd you
I'm going
use?
to add that.
What'd you use to determine the speed?
Okay, sir.
What'd you
Is
use?
this your current address
What'd you
on
use?
Yolanda Lane?
What'd you
Is this
use?
your current address?
What'd you use?
I'll be right back with your citation, sir.
All right. Oh, that's right. He covers the whole state. Here you go. You only got a couple minutes, 20 minutes. You're extending this traffic stop. You better get cracking. I don't know why he was so mad. All I did was pulled over on the stoplight, and then I guess he wanted to be the one in the lead. All right, here he comes.
You recording this?
I am.
Okay. This is your citation.
Yeah.
This is your state citation. Okay.
So what did you? Let
me explain you. This is your citation. Okay. I paced you at 70 miles an hour.
How long did you pace me for?
I posted you at 75 miles. At 70 miles an hour.
How long did you pace me for?
The posted speed limit is 55. Okay.
How long did you pace me for?
So you're being cited for speed greater than reasonable and prudent.
But
and also your
we were
registration is
accelerating.
expired. So if I wanted to, I could tow your vehicle right now.
It's not expired.
Your registration for the vehicle is expired. All right, you can take that up with the motor vehicle department, but you're being cited for that also. Okay?
Why are you so upset?
Your court date is April 19th.
Are you going to be there?
I will be there.
All right. Why are you so upset?
Listen to me.
How come you don't have any identification markers or anything on?
Because I'm off duty right now.
Oh, so you're pulling me over off duty?
Doesn't make any difference.
Oh, it doesn't? You can just go ahead. So your ego got bruised and you decided to pull me over because I didn't let you go by me or what?
Court date's at 9 o'clock.
Right.
Sign here at the X. It's not an admission of guilt. It's just that you promised to appear in court. Do you understand that?
Do you promise to appear? Do you promise to appear?
Do you understand that? Yes or no?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Are you going to sign here?
Morning.
Go ahead.
Why are you so upset?
Sign at the X.
Why are you so upset?
Sign at the X.
Do I have a time limit to sign?
Sign at the X. Please.
Well, you waited 20 minutes. Is there a time limit? I'm a slow signer. Just relax, man.
I got all the time in the world.
Do you?
It's my day off.
Is it your day off? So you're pulling people over? I told you I am. I'm a slow signer.
Okay, well, I'll wait.
I'm just waiting for you to calm down a little bit, man. You're high strung. You don't seem calm.
I'm just gonna go and grab myself some breakfast after I'm done here.
Oh, so you were hurrying to breakfast?
I wasn't hurrying to anywhere.
You
in a hurry?
You were going faster than I was on my camera. You know I'm going to play that video in court that you tried to go in front of me and then slammed on your brakes, got behind me and pulled me over.
Slammed on your brakes?
You slammed on your brakes. I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, then you'll have all that on camera.
I do.
Okay. Whenever you're done. Okay. Court's going to be at Tucson, downtown. Like I said, the court dates.
So what makes you think you have?
Going to be at 0900 hours. Okay?
So what makes you think you have jurisdiction off the reservation and on your day off?
Look at the citation.
And on your day off.
Citation.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Arizona traffic citation.
So was I doing something dangerous or something?
What's on the citation is what you were doing.
But you were going faster than I was.
Okay. Have you signed?
I did. Okay. You were going faster than I did. What was your name and badge number?
It's on the citation.
Can you give me a card written? I'd like it written on a card.
License?
I'd like it written on a card.
It's written and signed on the citation.
Yeah, but I want a card. I want a Tohono O'odham card.
My card's on my uniform.
Your card's on your uniform? You guys don't give cards?
Yeah, like I said, my cards are in my uniform. I'm not in uniform as you pointed out.
So you like to pull people
Have a nice
over?
Day, okay? I'll see you
where are you going to breakfast? Oh, totally. Total major ego problem. Well,
Get that registration fixed, okay?
get that ego fixed, okay? Tough guy.
The key takeaway: jurisdiction matters. Off-duty or out-of-bounds stops risk crossing legal lines, and tickets issued in such cases often collapse in court. For drivers, the best response is calm documentation, record interactions, ask for names and badge numbers, and challenge improper citations through legal channels. Knowledge of where an officer's authority begins and ends is your strongest safeguard on the road.